Food may also act as medication. Garlic is a prime example of this. It has been used for its alleged health benefits for ages and has been used to cure a number of ailments. Modern research now supports these claims. Allicin and other phytochemicals like organosulfur compounds are found in garlic. These substances are in charge of the plant's many advantageous traits. For instance, what are the health benefits of garlic? Regular use of garlic has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by addressing many health issues such as excessive cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure. How big of a difference this one easy eating habit can make in your life could surprise you. Number 1. Reduced inflammation. Numerous chronic illnesses, including cancer, diabetes, and arthritis, are primarily caused by chronic inflammation. Consuming garlic, certain inflammatory proteins activity may be reduced daily. Compared to the placebo group, the group of 70 women who took 1,000 milligrams of garlic supplements daily for 8 weeks had lower inflammatory indicators, decreased tiredness and discomfort, and fewer painful joints. Number 2. Decreased frequency of getting sick. The capacity of garlic to strengthen the immune system makes it a fantastic addition to your meal this evening. It does this by actively participating in the body's defensive processes in a few different ways. To begin with, garlic and allicin have antimicrobial characteristics. Second, garlic also has antiviral compounds with dual action. Preventing viruses from invading cells is the first step. Strengthen the immune system to more effectively fend off possible intruders. According to number 2, such substances may help maintain a robust and healthy immune system. Garlic is sometimes able to help prevent and lessen the intensity of the flu and common cold. Number 3, improved blood pressure. A few garlic cloves each day can be enough to avoid seeing a cardiologist. The leading causes of death worldwide are cardiovascular conditions, including heart attacks and strokes. One of the main causes of these disorders is high blood pressure. Fortunately, research on humans has shown that consuming garlic significantly lowers blood pressure in those who have hypertension. In one research, using atenolol for 24 weeks was equivalent to consuming 600 to 1,500 milligrams of aged garlic extract in decreasing blood pressure. Nitric oxide is produced more quickly when garlic is consumed, which causes blood vessels to widen and the function of the enzyme known as ACE to be inhibited. Blood arteries may be relaxed by inhibiting ACE activity, which may maintain normal blood flow and pressure. While we're talking about cardiovascular disorders, everyday garlic consumption may help reduce other risk factors for heart disease, such as high cholesterol. Number 4. Reduced blood sugar. Garlic is also proven to lower pre-meal blood sugar levels in both diabetics and non-diabetics. Even if it's only in little doses, diabetic individuals may still benefit from it, particularly if they take it from 3 months or more. Additionally, it was shown that raw garlic might lessen the chance of atherosclerosis. Diabetes, which is associated with an increased risk of atherosclerosis-related inflammation, is what sparked this specific interest. Additionally, garlic contains the vitamins B6 and C, which are both necessary for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. On the other hand, there is no concrete proof that garlic lowers blood sugar levels after meals. Eat garlic every day for a month if you want to improve your athletic performance. Number 5. Enhanced physical performance. It was back when there were no additives to improve performance. One of the earliest naturally occurring performance-enhancing drugs was garlic. In reality, it has a long history and was formerly used to improve workers' physical stamina and combat wariness. The Olympians received it in ancient Greece, which is the most noteworthy instance. Garlic does, according to research on rodents, boost exercise performance, but there haven't been many human studies done. After consuming garlic oil for 6 weeks, those with heart disease had a 12% reduction in heart rate and an improvement in their ability to exercise. Number 6. Reduced cholesterol level. A further benefit of garlic for the heart is that it lowers cholesterol. By 10% to 15%, garlic helps lower total and LDL or bad cholesterol levels. However, additional investigation is required to establish the connection between garlic consumption and cholesterol levels. According to several research, taking garlic supplements did actually reduce levels of both high LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. Since those two are both risk factors for heart disease, this is excellent news. While garlic may reduce LDL, it has no consistent impact on HDL or the good cholesterol. Another risk factor is high triglyceride levels, but sadly, garlic doesn't seem to have much of an impact on them. Number 7. Reduce risk of infections. The power of garlic to fight off bacteria, viruses, fungus, and even parasites is well known. Allicin, the active component of freshly crushed garlic, was discovered in one research to have antiviral and bacterial activity. Garlic may also treat yeast infections since it has antifungal effects. Regarding its antiparasitic properties, it may aid in the battle against severe intestinal parasites like Giardia. The bacterium methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus or MRSA, which may cause infections in many regions of the body, has also been shown in other experiments to be growth inhibited by allicin. Number 8. Reduce toxicity in the body. Garlic sulfur components, when consumed in large amounts, may shield your organs from harm from heavy metal poisoning. According to a survey of workers at a car battery factory, the amount of lead in their bodies has decreased by 19%. Additionally, it reduced the number of clinical toxicity symptoms, including headaches and elevated blood pressure. In fact, 3 doses of garlic 3 times each day may reduce symptoms more effectively than the medication penicillamine. Even if it is not the most well-known advantage of garlic, it is nonetheless important to highlight. We'll now discuss how garlic helps prevent bone thinning. Number 9. Improved bone health. Despite this, there is no research on how garlic affects bone loss in humans. Studies on rodents have shown that it may stop bone loss by increasing female estrogen. A menopausal woman's daily intake of dried garlic, which is equivalent to 2 grams of raw garlic, significantly reduced the marker of estrogen insufficiency, according to research. This suggests that this supplement could benefit the bone health of women. Number 10. Better skin health. A month of daily garlic consumption may also result in your skin cleaning up. It's all due to the plant's antioxidants and antibacterial traits, which help to eradicate acne-causing bacteria. For quicker results, it's preferable to apply raw garlic directly on zits. I continue to use it carefully since it might burn my skin. Now that we've discussed the advantages of consuming garlic daily, many of you may be asking, how much garlic is sufficient? This brings us to our next point. A half to a full clove of garlic per day is the recommended daily intake. Your body will get between 3 and 6,000 milligrams of allicin as a result. Avoid ingesting large amounts of garlic since you can have indigestion, gas in your intestines, or diarrhea. Did you know that whether garlic is consumed raw or cooked affects the extent of certain of its health benefits? Let's talk about more of this now. Raw or cooked garlic, which is better? Sometimes it might be difficult to use garlic to its fullest potential. For instance, consuming raw and cooked garlic rather than supplements was the source of the research on garlic's beneficial impact on immunity. Garlic may also change the pH balance of fruit vegetables when heated or added to a dish. Once the garlic has been minced, crushed, or chopped, I like to let it sit. The most active component in garlic, allicin, takes a few minutes to start working its enzymes. Therefore, consuming raw garlic will provide you with the most advantages. However, if cooking is your preferred method of consuming garlic, go for it. Avoid heating the garlic to more than 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius while cooking it. Elevated temperatures destroy allicin, so when using garlic as an ingredient in a dish, add it just before you're about to finish cooking. We've reached the end of another video and thank you for watching. I hope you have learned what are the health benefits of garlic. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.